Good morning. Hopefully everybody had a great weekend. Today, what are we going to do? I know a lot of questions about, hey, how we finishing this year off. Just a couple quick things. We're going to try to hit some high spots of what we didn't get the chance to cover. We kind of ended up talking about civil rights. We kind of finished up with Vietnam. So I want to talk about some big things we're going to hit in the 70s and the 80s, the 90s. Kind of finish off the rest of the book. I'm going to give you a couple of videos, and they're going to be some short quizzes, discussion questions at the end, just a kind of a quick little review. I'll do that today. I'll do that on Thursday. And then Friday, there'll be a quick little quiz, like reviewing everything that you've done. All the quizzes will have a couple different attempts. So if you don't get it the first time, you can take it again, a second, third. I think I'll give you like 5 attempts or something like that. So you should have plenty of attempts to kind of get all the stuff down. Might not be a horrible idea to take some notes during the middle of the videos, but that's kind of what we're at. So we're going to try to finish off the rest of those, chapter 31, 32, 33. And then I have a couple projects in mind to kind of finish off the rest of the year. So that's kind of what's on tap. So not really a lot of instruction today. Just go to the checklist, and there's going to have a video for you to watch, and then like a little quiz to follow. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me or stop in office hours. If not, then I will see you next time. Enjoy.